Meet the cutest MP3 you'll ever see. And yes, it's fully touchscreen. It takes retro-style CCD photos, records videos, and even flips for selfies. You can listen to music with surprisingly good sound, watch movies like a tiny TV, and even read ebooks. Plus, dictionary, calculator, alarm clock. It's like a mini computer in your pocket. Cute, nostalgic, powerful. This little MP3 is pure 90s magic. Stop scrolling. This tiny pink house is actually a charger. This mini mansion charger is the cutest thing ever. It has a folding plug, 45-watt fast charge power, and when you plug it in, the little windows glow. Fast charging, cozy vibes, and now my desk looks like a tiny pink dream home.